Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Profits channel. Thank you for your patronage all these days. The membership is slowly growing but steadily growing, and I thank you very much for being part of this YouTube channel. I want to share with you an interesting statistics. I have been presenting every day in the morning the levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and three major stocks: HDFC Bank, Reliance, and Bajaj Finance. Using my proprietary formula, I arrive at the best price one can go long and the best price one can go short as a guidance, basically. Now, I just wanted to show you the effect of this strategy if you had followed the guidance and using your own financial prudence and risk capacity took the trades. I assumed one would take up to 100 shares or 100 quantity in each of these stocks or indices when doing the trade and follow the strict stop loss that has been given in this guidance. I post this every day between 9:14 to 9:20 approximately. I post these levels every day. Today I was very disappointed because hardly 10 people saw the video that I posted. I take some time to basically work out these numbers and carefully give these trades and ideas. I just wanted to show you how much profit one could have made if they had taken these guidances and using their financial prudence managed their trade with strict stop losses. Now, the buy above level given for Bank Nifty today was 36 to 23. It never went above this level. And the sell below level given was 36,076. This is in the Bank Nifty futures contract. Look at the level the Bank Nifty touched. I actually gave a conservative target of 35,896, but I calculated the profit if one took the share up to the actual low the index gave. Of course, this is little optimistic. Okay, but what could have been the best profit one would have got is what I am calculating, because as long as the stop loss is not hit, which is 36,149, one could have remained in the trade is my guesswork, basically, right? So okay, it closed probably slightly above 35,800 or something like that. But just to see what is the low it made, 35,751, which means a profit of 32,000 only in Bank Nifty. Even if you made half of this profit, you would have made 16,000 rupees. In Nifty, the buy above level was 16,306 and sell below level was 16,264. It actually gave 44 points on the higher side and 44 points on the lower side. Okay, now I have only calculated for one side. Okay, if you have only one side, one could have made a profit of 4,300 rupees on this trade, trading 100 quantity. HDFC Bank was a buy above 1470 with a stop loss, very small stop loss of 1467. See the and below 1464 it was a sell with a stop loss of 1467. Again, I am calculating only the one side profit one could have made is 3,700 rupees. On Reliance Industries, buy above level was 2,123. The target was 2,033. It actually achieved 2,155. So if you stayed with the trade, because the stop loss 2,114 was not hit, right? you could have made 3,200. On Bajaj Finance, it is fabulous. Next to Bank Nifty, Bajaj Finance is the one which performed really remarkably well. Buy above level was 6369 and sell below level was 6339 and stop loss was 6354. Today at the opening it touched the 6356 level and went down to 6232, means with 100 shares one could have made an intraday profit of up to 10,663. Even if you take you only made 50% of this profit, still you would have made 27,000 rupees. But if you had stayed with the course and respected the stop loss, one could have made anywhere between 40,000 to 50,000 rupees by taking these guidance and of course applying their financial prudence. I am giving this based on 100 shares on each trade. In case one could not obviously take all the trades because you need a larger capital if you have to take all the trades. But even if you have taken any of these trades, each of these trades could have given you anywhere between 2,000 to 5,000 rupees profit, assuming you have taken only two trades or you have taken only one trade only in Bank Nifty. Like that one could have made a profit of at least 2,500 to 5,000 rupees. So please do follow the channel. Every day I am releasing these levels. Tomorrow also I will release these levels for these five scripts: Bank Nifty, Nifty, HDFC Bank, Reliance and Bajaj Finance, and try to follow the guidance. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let it grow and benefit more people, because I am planning to do more interesting videos, not just daily technical analysis, but also some great insights on how to do fundamental investing. I have spoken to one of the great individual investors that I know, who is one of my friends. He is also a chartered accountant. He is going to come out with a series of presentations for our members on fundamental investing. So do not miss. Please do subscribe, share the link, and also please set up an alert so that whenever I release a video, you are alerted. Thank you very much. Thanks for your valuable time for being with me. Bye bye. All the best. Have a great night's sleep and a great trading day tomorrow. Thank you.